Sorry.
Okay.
Security
Hello.
advisory. For your safety, please do not leave baggage.
Thank you. A, B, and C, ma.
Okay.
Thank you. I was gonna let you try to figure it out.
Oh, okay.
Hello, hello.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Doing well, doing well.
I got a paper for you.
Paper?
To fill out.
Uh-oh. College or what?
High school for now.
High school for now? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
It's that one.
Okay.
Today's.
Oh, you want all my stuff.
Yep.
Are you going to, like, open a credit card in my name, or?
Uh,
I'm just teasing. It's just teasing.
I cannot believe I'm finding where it had front landing gear malfunction back in 2005.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, I heard about this incident.
Oh, yeah, they happen.
Yeah, it was this one. I cannot believe it. November 536
Oh,
Juliet
536.
Bravo.
Yeah,
Yep,
it was.
that's it.
He knows more than we do.
Yep.
I didn't put two and two together.
I wasn't here that time. Was San Francisco or LAX?
Hang on, I hear things.
Yeah, there we go.
That was San Francisco, I believe. Where is he? There he is. Route. How much of the routing do you want? You want the whole thing?
You don't have to put the whole thing.
Let's see.
I mean, I had the last flight, someone put a little bit abbreviated. Yep. Oh, can I do the pilot announcement today?
Can you do the pilot announcement?
Yeah, I actually done it last time.
Did you?
Yes, even the JetBlue's Instagram lacked it too.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Can I do it today? You guys have Instagram? You have it, Instagram?
That stuff scares me.
I mean, that's what I'm posting right now, but it's actually mostly for YouTube today. Today's stuff is
This
actually...
doesn't make me famous.
Oh well.
Alright. Tell them what we got.
Ooh, it's gonna be super short.
There we go.
Thank you.
But he's got to do his. You want to do yours? You want me to put it on?
Maybe you got one more this there.
Okay. What have you got? Have you gotten your picture taken up here and all that stuff?
Yes, please.
Come on, here, you got to sit here real quick.
I will.
How are we doing on time? 05.
23.
Oh, we're doing good. We're doing good.
Yep. We do leave at 5:23 today.
All right,
Here you go. Thank you so much. Actually, can you put it in the slot?
Which one?
That slot. Thank you.
yeah.
Hey, first officer.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Perfect.
There you go,
You
my
like
man.
it? You should come out pretty good. Oops.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Yep.
There you go, my
Alrighty.
man.
Nice talking with you guys.
You too.
I'm gonna head out to my seat today.
All right. 4 minutes. Quick flight today.
Yep.
You live up there or you live here?
Up there.
Okay.
So it's just quick flight home today. Yeah, we're flying out when we land to when we approach Jacksonville. We're flying over St. John's River.
You fly over St. John's River?
Usually we do. Well, this arrival.
Because our flight route radar 24 showed me it actually we're. Looks like we are.
Let me see something if we have it here. Just put something in here. So it's more accurate.
Oh, we're landing
Oh, yeah.
26 today?
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
on 26, so yeah.
Oh,
we're gonna
yeah.
be-
Yeah. All right.
Okay, I can see it's actually the St. John's River today.
There you go, man.
Did you know I'm actually recording this for YouTube?
All right, we got some.
All right, see you, buddy. See you. I think, ma'am, I believe you are a flight attendant winglet pin.
You want a flight attendant?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
¿Cómo se llama? Ella tiene su nombre, pues, ¿no? Mónica Vargas.
Sí, tiene Natalia.
La única que yo he conocido es a la Natalia y a la ¿cómo se llama la Mariana?
Captain Michael Minnie, this is my first officer at the Q. Our flight time is very quick, 54 minutes, up at 30,000 feet. Just a few bumps here and there. We'll make our way up the coastline. Once we get to Jacksonville, the weather is not like it is here. It's nice, sunny, clear, and just about 82 degrees. So sit back, relax, we'll be on our way shortly. Thanks again for joining us.
Bueno, pero ¿cuál es el problema con ese síndrome? Ella no puede ir a Juan, no sé. Después yo conocí a Mario por medio de César.
We'd like to introduce ourselves and welcome you to JetBlue. We're happy to have you on board today. My name is Kirsten. I'm working with Lonnie in the front and Frank in the middle and Gary in the back. Our captain is Clint and this is my first officer, Francisco. Our plane's name is Candy and Blue and our estimated flight time to Jacksonville is 54 minutes. Your safety is always our number one priority, so please give us your attention while we walk you through this plane's safety features. Please follow along with a safety information card in your seat back pocket. Federal requires you to follow all line information signs, posted placards, and protections and member instructions. Customers are encouraged to report any unlawful or inappropriate behavior to an flight crew member. To buckle your seatbelt, insert the flat metal into the buckle while properly strapped to tight. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened low and tight across your lap, even when the seatbelt sign is off, and have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is in a pouch under your seat. If instructed by the crew, tear open the pouch, remove the vest, and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Clip the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down firmly on the red tabs or blowing into the tubes on both sides. Do not inflate your vest inside the plane. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. This Airbus A320 is an emergency exit. 2 doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide that can be detached from the plane and used as a raft. An additional rack is located in the forward stowage unit. In the event of an emergency, leave your personal belongings and head to the nearest exit. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead and lights on the floor also guide you to the exit. Take a moment now to locate your closest exit and remember, it might be behind you. Your If there's a change in cabin pressure, 4 oxygen masks will drop from overhead. Firmly pull a mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the elastic band around your head and tighten the straps on both sides. Oxygen will be flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Put your mask on first before helping others. We'll let you know when it's no longer needed. If you have any questions about this plane's safety features, don't hesitate to ask. We'll be coming down the aisle for one last check. Please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, seat back is upright, tray table is stowed, and all tray and items are put away. Smoking, including electronic cigarettes or vaping, is never allowed on JetBlue. Tampering with disabling and destroying smoke detectors in restrooms is a federal offense and can result in a fine. This plane has 3 restrooms. One in the front and 2 in the back. Infant changing tables can be found in the front restroom and in one of the restrooms in the back. Please don't flush hand wipes down the toilet or leave them in the seat back pocket. All our planes have free high-speed Wi-Fi. To connect, select the flyfi.com network, then head to flyfi.com or see the card in your seat back pocket for instructions. By booking this flight, you unlock exclusive savings and TrueBlue points on cars, stays, and activities when you book on Paisley by JetBlue. Just head to jetblue.com and click on the Paisley logo. This plane is equipped with Blueprint, your personalized entertainment experience when you sign in on your seatback TV. You can save your favorite movies and shows, have a watch party with up to 5 fellow travelers on board, and even pick up where you leave off on your next Blueprint-equipped flight. If we skip signing in, go to settings to sign in. Please keep in mind that making calls of any type while in flight isn't allowed. This includes voice or video calls with mobile apps, Wi-Fi calling, or the use of video conferencing services. And to make this flight more enjoyable for everyone, please use headphones with personal devices or make sure they are silenced. We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there's a reading light above your seat. We'll be in the air soon. Thanks again for choosing JetBlue.
El hijo de Aldo Díaz. No, mi viejo. ¿Ella es japonesa, peruana o japonesa?
takeoff.
Marito.
Ella no sabe.
En Los Ángeles. Marito se vino a cambiar por el norte, ayer. Entonces, cuando Mario fue a Los Ángeles, porque Mario
Pero no vivieron en Arizona un tiempo.
escucha, Mario
devices are plugged from NC power. All carry-ons, including laptops and devices of similar size, must be put away for landing. Smaller electronics may be held, placed in your pocket or the seat back in front of you, but cellular service must remain off until we're on the ground. We'll be coming through to collect items you wish to discard, so please do a final check around your seat in the seat back pocket. We hope you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience as much as we've enjoyed having you on board today. Thanks again for flying with us. We'll be landing soon. Jacksonville. Local time is 6:23 p.m. For your safety, please keep buckled up and keep carry-on items put away until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Be careful when opening overhead bins as items tend to move during flight. If you have a receipt that says plane at gate, you may pick up your items outside the front boarding door. If you need any help getting off the plane, feel free to remain seated after we arrive at the gate so may better assist you. For everyone connecting flights and bed time, you may check airport letters or download our free JetBlue mobile app. We hope you've enjoyed the JetBlue experience. If you received an email survey about your trip, we'd love to get your feedback. On behalf of all of us here at JetBlue, especially this Fort Lauderdale crew, thanks again for choosing us. For those of you from the Jacksonville area, we'd like to be the first to say, welcome home.
Mauro era sobrino del Eduardo.
arrival.
Bye bye.
Bye. Have a good night.
Bye pilots.
Bye-bye.
See ya.